You just found the proven dating success system that will change your life. Introducing Building Confidence, the smart, strong, and successful single men series for mastering the art of dating. A book series divided into 3 guides. Guide 1, Getting Her Number. Guide 2, Got Her Number and Then What? And Guide 3, Mastering the Art of Dating. These are available as ebooks and audiobooks. Plus, 3 bonuses for boosting your self-esteem. The Illustrated, Is She Into You? Reading Female Body Language. Get more dates by dressing better. And Dating Secrets. Building Confidence, Changing Lives, Getting People Together and Creating Happily Ever Afters for real. See you inside on the Confident People's team. Would you like a sample for starting? Click in the link below and download the guide, Why Are You Single? For free. The exciting guide that reveals facts about dating every single man needs to know. Get the data you need to start living a pleasant life.